Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a trained Teachable Machine project, stable validation, and target platform decided. Click Export Now, choose TensorFlow, JS for web, TensorFlow saved model for Python servers, or TF-Lite for mobile. You do this because each format fits different runtimes and performance constraints. Once chosen, set options like quantization for size versus accuracy trade-offs. Make sure to name the export clearly so you can track versions, and start the export process immediately to generate the package file. Once the export completes, download the generated zip and extract it into your project folder. For TensorFlow, JS place model, JSON and the binary shards in your site's assets and update the load path in your code. For saved model or TF-Lite, move files to the server or app resources and install required runtime libraries. You do this because runtime links and file paths determine successful loading. Misplacement causes load errors. Then run a quick local test to confirm the model loads and responds to sample inputs. Finish by integrating the model into your app. Call TF. Load graph model for JS or use the TF-Lite interpreter API for mobile. Feed known sample inputs and verify outputs match expectations. Measure latency to ensure performance targets. Once done, optimize by enabling quantization or changing thread counts if needed. If things go wrong, check the common issue: mismatched TensorFlow runtime versions or incorrect file paths. Those cause silent failures. Re-export with different options only after logging errors and isolating the cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.